Hello, it's me, Najim Missioner now. Okay, I made a fucking rap on Rap Chat. My first rap, and they made me sound like garbage by putting this little gurgle sound at the end of my voice, which, if you listen to my words, is better than any song you ever heard. If you compare it. So why be so jealous? Why? When you know you gonna die. I ain't dying, and you know that. So you know you gonna die. You rather not make a mark in the world, but you rather scar your body, scar your soul, scar your spirit. Am I wrong? Alright. This may be the last time I'm saying something smart. Am I wrong? Alright. Alright then. Go night night, bitch, your little dick sickle cell ass.